All right, what's up, gang? Sorry I'm late. I had some do something in the evening. So let's get to it. Overall, I did not expect these 2 days of rally like we just had before Powell speaks tomorrow. So did catch me a little off guard. Um, Tomorrow like I told you, he speaks I think before the market opens. So it's gonna move. Whatever he says is gonna move. So this is gonna be a key level tomorrow on SPY is 418. So if 418 breaks tomorrow, I'm sorry, not 418, sorry, 438. If 438 breaks tomorrow, then we could possibly go to what's this level right here? Hold on. 440 and then probably get some pullback, but it's been strong, the Bulls, guys. I'm a little thrown off in the last 2 days. I thought it was gonna chop us. They did chop us yesterday. That was a chop for sure. But today was a bull move. So SPY moved about $4 to $5, which is good. Usually moves about 5 to 6. So everything is kind of saying we're still up trending until Jay Powell says something, basically. So yeah, just watch that 438 tomorrow, in my opinion. Now, if we do get a little pullback, I will watch this level. What's this? 436? Yeah, 436. Because remember, yesterday 435 was a major, like 435, maybe 434.90 was a major bounce area. So I would watch 436 20 area tomorrow. If it loses that, then we should retest 435 in my opinion. So let's talk about the Qs. Qs is stronger, obviously. So Qs we're gonna watch around here to see which one. 374.60 area on the Qs for more long, more upside move. But this is exactly like SPY and the indicators on the Mac and RSI. They all saying it wants to go higher. We already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both have 7 days of green. Haven't seen that in a while. Like 7 days. We see 4, maybe 5, but 7. And then last week was one of the best it was one of the best weeks of the market. It was literally it was an epic week, you could say. So I'll watch that level for longs and shorts. Let me take off these lines. Sorry, it drives me crazy. Shorts, I would watch basically bottom of this candle close, not the wick, the close, which is gonna be what 476. Oh, sorry, 370. This 370.40 area, okay? So those are the levels that we're gonna watch tomorrow, depending on whatever this guy delivers out his mouth. If levels do break and it gets a little crazy, don't worry. 15 minutes is more than enough time for me to put new levels up for y'all. So we're gonna definitely do that. So yeah, Powell, waiting for Papa Powell tomorrow. I swung some lottos, 435s, not 435s, Qs, 350s. Yeah, 350s, right? Not 350s. Hold on. 375. I'm bugging. 375 on the Qs. So if he says something good, those could hit. They were fluctuating in green today. It really didn't rip into heavy profits, so it's all right. I only grabbed one. I'm just trying to see what happens tomorrow. I'm just trying to ride the trend. If the trend is real, that is gonna go. then I think Q's is obviously going to hit 377, and these calls could possibly go $2 in the money. So that's why I took it. I saw the resistance area over here, and I knew Powell was talking. The market was not looking bearish. It still doesn't look bearish. So I said, why not? We could get a rip into whatever he says. Then the next 30 minutes to an hour, maybe the market will stall and start trying to, pull back or anything. But I basically played the call because I knew he's up at the podium in the morning. So a big move is gonna happen. So I could have straddled it, but I don't like picking both sides. I just like picking one side and that's it. All right, so let's get to it. I'll talk about Apple real quick, like we usually do. Run down these names. Apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days on Apple Green. Crazy. And it's crazy because it still could go up, guys. This thing has room up here. So this is a big resistance level that it could break. So right now, bullish on Apple. So bullish, upside, Microsoft. Microsoft also looks good. It's in a tight range though. I wouldn't chase it unless it's gonna build above within this wick. So I will watch this 360, 320 area on the Qs for sure. But overall, they look bullish. Qs, Microsoft. Google did good, I heard today. Let's see. So Google definitely has room. And look, they don't even gotta, the Mac is about to cross literally. So Google's a lagger in my opinion. So Google above 132.20 is definitely a good long in my opinion. Um, Apple, Meta's next. So Tesla, right? Tesla did a nice move today, a nice hammer candle. So just watch Tesla above 226 tomorrow, guys. Think is a good watch above 226. And it looks bullish across all boards. Meta. I get into my names. Yeah, Meta's fired today. Put in the first MACD green. And I think once it gets above, yeah, this 322 area has to hold and build tomorrow. For Meta to see at least 325 in my, yeah. So if that holds, we could definitely see 325. And this looks strong too on the Mac. So that's good. And that's it. Yep. All right. Went over Meta, Google, Microsoft, Apple. Yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Let's talk about these names. So Dutch Bros had ERs. I don't know if you guys saw. So that might help HD swing because HD after hours almost reclaimed 295. So let's see if the market ends up ripping that number because all we have to do is at least go to 297 and we'll print. We don't have to go in the money to make profit because we got in around the 295 area. So Dutch Bros, I'll watch tomorrow for the IV play. All right, so tomorrow, let's see. I got LMT on my list. See why LMT look interesting. Okay, this is a major bounce area on RSI. It could definitely bounce there. We got 3 red candles already on the downside that obviously didn't produce any strength because there's really no heavy drop on those 3 red candles. So I'm expecting this bounce on the 9. My 9 is this green one. So I'm expecting a bounce out of there or even around 449.5 and LMT should pick up in my opinion. I also got RTX. Let's see. So RTX looks a little bit healthier because it put in a hammer kind of like a hammer candle already on the breakout area of these two candles. So right above this candle is breakout, right? Pulled back. So if this bounces for real, then we should definitely continue up because of the candle that it made today on that area. So RTX definitely could watch it above here. It wants to hold the gap fill area too, guys. So that's good as well. So I'm gonna watch it around 83.10. Longs on RTX. Let me remove this one because it's definitely not trying to go down there anymore. All right, RTX looks good. Damn, I mentioned Airbnb on Sunday, guys. Damn, today went crazy actually. So nice little inside bull day on Airbnb. So Airbnb didn't really break out of the trading range. This is the trading range right here between 122 to 117 is the trading range. And the reason I'm saying that is because if you notice all these candles right here, even back here, didn't really go anywhere. It stood in between that range. So now it looks like it might want to break out of here because we're getting a higher pivot on this RSI build. So, and the MAC is increasing bulls. So just wait until we get here to pay attention again. Even though today was probably the prime entry, but let's see, 123 tomorrow. So Airbnb is we're gonna rewatch it basically because we was already on watch list for Sunday. Um, we watching Upwork for ER tomorrow. IV. Uber was crazy today, by the way. Uh, so yeah, Upwork had ER. They did good. I definitely think we could watch this one for continuation. So I'm not gonna put any levels until the morning, but this one is definitely on watch for IV. Um, Rivian. Let's see, Rivian. Eran. Okay, Rivian. Looks like we're gonna watch this one as well for IV. Is currently at 1825. So if Rivian follows with the upside move, we definitely gotta watch Lucid. So I watch Lucid as well with Vivian. Okay. I know this is an expensive one, but can't help to talk about it. So I'm gonna talk about it. This joint been ripping. Anyone that got big accounts, take one of these and hold. This thing's ready making like highs, 52-week highs, I believe. So ticker's almost 1,000. Wow. Yep. So you can look at this one tomorrow for $1,000 calls to see how they open up tomorrow. Okay, so the breakout level on this one will be around here, which is what? Yeah, 980, 983 here, yes. Oh, that one. Next on my list, BYON. That was definitely an accident. I did not mean to add that on. What the heck is this, B? Nope. Okay, so we got, what's this? PBF, Lululemon. So Nike was ripping, right? Been ripping, honestly, for the past, since last week, Nike been ripping. So I think Lulu could rip more tomorrow, in my opinion. We're gonna watch this area to see if it breaks. On Lulu, it's for 1675 area. Everything looks bullish. This looks bullish. This looks bullish. So definitely watch Lulu upside. PVF. I think this is an IV play too. Yeah, this is an IV PVF, right? So they reported earnings today, right? After hours, coming off of 1, 2, 3, 4 red days. So yeah, it makes sense tomorrow if it definitely bounce, especially off the 200 right here. So definitely watch we definitely gonna watch PVF tomorrow. I also like Cisco, not the tech one. Yeah, this one looks good. Kind of reminds me of Hard Mouth. Cisco looks good. Watch up. Let me see it here. We need to get around here. What's this? 68. Yeah, we're gonna watch the 68 level. Cisco. Small accounts. We go watch Lions Gate. Lions Gate. What the heck? Let's put the whole. Let me just put LGFA. LGFA. Try to write the name, but I guess that didn't work. There we go. So wow, this is a strong candle today. Small account. Oh, they got earnings Thursday. Okay, okay. So tomorrow we could definitely watch this one. I'm watching around here for y'all. That's a bullish engulfing, by the way, on the daily. Yeah. Lionsgate small account friendly, guys. Next is TNC. Tencent is another. Got a few IVs on this list. So that's another one. This one actually had really, really good news behind the ER. Like they're increasing, they're actually giving their biggest dividend payout. So for them to do that, that means they must have really did good on earnings. So definitely we're gonna watch this one tomorrow because this zone right here breaks, start testing up the highs over there. So from my thing right here, alert gonna be set right around 80. Okay. Next. Oh man. Oh shoot, this one ripped today. Small account too. I don't know how I let it go under my well, go up in front of my eyes. I just didn't think it was gonna go that hard. Matterport 2.5 is went crazy today. Look at this daily stick, guys. Damn. So this is another small account friendly one. So I'll watch it around here tomorrow if it wants to crack. Because they definitely got $3 calls. But the 250s was it. There was 7 cents. And they went to like 25, 26. Crazy. Okay, so I already spoke about RTX. Um, I got one more, gang. I think, and that's it. This RXRX. This is health related. Okay, inside trading, bulls were in for sure. Oh, they had ER. Oh no, it's tomorrow. I don't know if it's pre-market. Hmm. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, it looks bullish though. It doesn't look bearish. I'll watch it around. here. Yeah, it's definitely trying to go above the 21. It is above my 9, which is this green. Look, the green line is just building, building. So the next move should be above the 21 and then probably possibly test the 50. So watch this one. And last but not least, let me see why this one look interesting to me. Squarespace. Oh, I got an old trend line here. Okay. Let's use it because obviously it's been rejecting off of it. Oh, they have earnings. Oh, today. And they missed. So forget about this one. Scratch that. Scratch that. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this one because if they miss earnings, what's the point of watching it? And the daily chart does not look pretty. We got 4 candles green and they look so indecisive. So don't even worry about that one. All right, team. That's all I got for tonight. Let's go tomorrow. Today I was a little overtraded. Should have just took my last play with HD and swung it, but it's all right. And I lacked a little bit of patience on those Q calls. Oh man, the 373s. So tomorrow, super focused, patient, and let's hope for a better day. All right. See you in the morning, team. All right. Good night.